Alright, so there's a camera switcher. There's one camera. It's actually not. That's the DC to DC converter hooked up to a 3.3 volt mini camera. You can see it's very small. My hands aren't huge. Goes in a camera switcher. There's the back of one camera. There's the side of another camera. Easy on-screen display. That's for the on-screen display. There's the actual screen. So right now it's looking through this little camera, which if I move it around, there it is, looking at, how do we angle this? Ugh. There it is looking at me, and there it is looking at the screen, looking at the screen, looking at me. Something like that. Yeah, so that's the little tiny camera. And then I switch to camera 2, which looks like is this one. Yeah, so that's this little camera here. As I move it around, you can, how do I do this? And then the third camera, switch to that one. There it is, moving all around. These aren't the cameras I'm using. They've just been test cameras I got out of from way back when I first started the build. This is a little voltage on-screen display, so I have an on-screen display going into an on-screen display going out to a video transmitter. This heatsink isn't very good. It's good enough to prevent it from melting, but here's one of my drive batteries. I have disconnected for some reason the ground. Let's see if I can plug that guy back in there. What that does is, you can see there it says Aero RC or something. It's counting there. It's been running for 5 seconds. Anyway, it's showing me 15.4 volts coming out of this yellow battery here, and that's everything. So all of this has to be condensed down to fit onto that guy and into this guy. That's going to be no problem. That's not going to be a problem.